Question number 1.
Choose the correct sentence. A. She don't speaks French. B. She doesn't speak French. C. She doesn't speaks French.
Question number 2.
Synonym of small is A. Tiny. B. Huge. C. Tall.
Question number 3.
He has been working here January. A. Since. B. For. C. From.
Question number 4.
Antonym of sharp is A. Pointed. B. Blunt. C. Bright.
Question number 5.
Throw in the towel means A. Clean up. B. Give up. C. Fight.
Question number 6.
They dash playing cricket now. A. Are. B. Is. C. Were.
Question number 7.
Choose the correct article. It's hour-long session. A. B. In. C. The.
Question number 8.
Synonym of quick is A. Fast. B. Late. C. Dull.
Question number 9.
The kids had dashed the curtain. A. Behind. B. Under. C. At.
Question number 10.
Antonym of generous is A. Kind. B. Selfish. C. Honest.
Question number 11.
Back to the drawing board means A. Celebrate success. B. Start over. C. End everything.
Question number 12.
I dashed my keys yesterday. A. Lost. B. Lose. C. Losing.
Question number 13.
Synonym of tired. A. Energetic. B. Sleepy. C. Active.
Question number 14.
Antonym of noisy. A. Loud. B. Calm. C. Quiet.
Question number 15.
She was born March 3rd. A. On. B. In. C. At.
Question number 16.
We already seen that movie. A. Have. B. Has. C. Is.
Question number 17.
Hit the nail on the head means A. Be accurate. B. Hurt someone. C. Build something.
Question number 18.
He apologized his mistake. A. For. B. With. C. Of.
Question number 19.
Antonym of clean. A. Dirty. B. Neat. C. Polished.
Question number 20.
Synonym of begin. A. End. B. Start. C. Break.
Question number 21.
I've known her 2015. A. Since. B. For. C. From.
Question number 22.
Let the cat out of the bag means A. Hide something. B. Reveal a secret. C. Catch a cat.
Question number 23.
Choose the correct sentence. A. She has go home. B. She has gone home. C. She have gone home.
Question number 24.
I'll meet you the evening. A. In. B. On. C. At.
Question number 25.
Antonym of truth. A. Reality. B. Lie. C. Honest.
Question number 26.
Synonym of kind. A. Gentle. B. Rude. C. Harsh.
Question number 27.
She is married a pilot. A. With. B. To. C. For.
Question number 28.
Once in a blue moon means A. Always. B. Frequently. C. Rarely.
Question number 29.
They lunch when I called. A. Were having. B. Was having. C. Are having.
Question number 30.
Choose the correct article that's unusual idea. A. B. An. C. The.
Question number 31.
Antonym of dark. A. Light. B. Dim. C. Dull.
Question number 32.
Synonym of work. A. Task. B. Party. C. Rest.
Question number 33.
She is afraid snakes. A. Of. B. From. C. With.
Question number 34.
Cut corners means A. Do something properly. B. Take shortcuts. C. Decorate.
Question number 35.
He dashed the answer correctly. A. Give. B. Gave. C. Giving.
Question number 36.
The bag is dash the table. A. Under. B. On. C. Beside.
Question number 37.
Synonym of lazy. A. Diligent. B. Idle. C. Active.
Question number 38.
Antonym of alive. A. Living. B. Breathing. C. Dead.
Question number 39.
He is capable dash solving this. A. For. B. With. C. Of.
Question number 40.
Break the ice means A. Make people comfortable. B. Start a fight. C. Stay silent.
Question number 41.
Choose the correct sentence. A. She can to speak well. B. She can speak well. C. She can speak well.
Question number 42.
Synonym of noise. A. Silence. B. Sound. C. Whisper.
Question number 43.
Antonym of heavy. A. Thick. B. Small. C. Light.
Question number 44.
We waited dash the teacher. A. For. B. To. C. On.
Question number 45.
Hit the sack means A. Sleep. B. Travel. C. Talk.
Question number 46.
I dash tired after the meeting. A. Feel. B. Felt. C. Feels.
Question number 47.
The sun rises dash the east. A. At. B. In. C. On.
Question number 48.
Synonym of soft. A. Smooth. B. Rough. C. Strong.
Question number 49.
Antonym of fresh. A. Rotten. B. Crisp. C. Raw.
Question number 50.
I'm looking forward to dash you. A. See. B. Seeing. C. Saw.
How many did you get right? Comment your score below. Share this quiz with your friends' family. Let them test their English skills too. Like, share, subscribe for more quiz.